I guess you can say I take sound pretty seriously, yeah. I take it seriously. I started producing and recording music 14 years ago with some really basic equipment. The whole setup is a bit different now. All tubes, it really makes a difference to the sound, so much warmer. I usually listen to what I've been working on when heading into the day job. It's important to hear it again outside the studio, somewhere people are actually going to be listening to the music. So I make sure my car stereo is up to scratch. I need to hear every detail in my mix. And the premium audio system is the amp that gives me exactly what I've been looking for. Clarity, power, and complete customizability. The same customizability that lets me tune the amp for each bimmer-tech customer's vehicle, so that whenever someone puts one in their BMW, they'll immediately hear the difference. It's the only amp on the market that offers easy drop-in installation and vehicle-specific tuning out of the box. Shouldn't everybody have a chance to listen to their music the way it was supposed to sound?